What's going on, guys? Watch my Thai in-laws cook this super authentic Thai dipping sauce called Prik Pla Too. Very spicy, super delicious. Let's go check it out. Good morning.
ตำพริก
Prik.
ตำพริกปลาทูจิ้มหน่อไม้
Oh,
ตำพริกปลาทูจิ้มหน่อไม้
Pla Too.
นี่
บวบไทย
แบบไทย
This is the best one. This is Pla Too, Thai mackerel.
ปลาทูตำปลาทู
Wild fish. Prik
ถุงลืมไงใช่ไปเอาไปแบบพัดกัน
So these are fresh bamboo roots from the forest. So delicious.
จากนั้นเอาไว้
I'm gonna eat that with the fish.
นี่นะ
Just cut a line.
อีกหน่อย
So good. A line. Ah, yummy.
นี่
It's a dipping sauce.
อันนี้นี่
Together, let's just eat it together. Okay.
Thai food, so yummy.
This is the bamboo.
Yeah, this is my father. He like to use hand. Thai original use hand. He use hand. He like. น้ำพริกปลาทู and fresh bamboo
Fresh
boiling
bamboo from the
and
forest.
duck egg. This is fried eggplant. This is for my garden. Eggplant for my garden. Yes.
My mother-in-law made this morning.
How taste? Good, yeah? Very yummy. If you spicy, you can eat egg after and fry vegetable, not too spicy. Good. Good, yeah?
just the right amount of chilies. Spicy. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Got lots more videos to come.
Alright guys, subscribe right now. If you like these Thai cooking videos, hit that notification bell. We also take you off the beaten path and show you lots of fun Thai street food open market videos. See you in the next video. There's no bathroom here at this market, so